the Marks Machinery AFS department, and today we're going to show you how to calibrate the Easy Pilot system. As you can see, we have an Easy Pilot here, and we have our FM 750. So on our main run screen, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Settings, and then we're going to go to Vehicle, and then we'll go to Auto Steer, and then to Easy Pilot Setup. Once we're in the Easy Pilot setup, then we're going to go to the Easy Pilot Calibration Wizard, and then it's going to give us a warning, and we'll hit the green arrow, and then we'll enter our vehicle measurements. So it's going to ask for your vehicle type. So right now we have a truck, we're in a little RTV right now, but you have your floater, swather, windrower, and sprayer, combine, tractor, articulated tractor, and two-wheel drive or modified four-wheel drive tractor. But we're going to keep it a truck, and then it's going to ask for your wheelbase. So you measure from the center of the front axle to the center of the back axle. And once you have that measurement entered in there, then you hit the green arrow. Then you go from the ground to the middle of the antenna for your antenna height off the ground. Once you have that entered, you hit the green arrow, and then it's going to ask for your antenna to axle offset. So from your back axle to the center of the antenna. And once you have that entered into there, then you hit the green arrow again, and then it's going to go take you through the roll calibration. Now your roll calibration, you park in one spot and you mark it with either flags, or you just park next to something close and you hit your green arrow here, and you have to look at your IMD 600. You have to know where that's at. So in here it is underneath our seat right there. So the most important thing here is you have to look at it and tell the monitor what the orientation of it is. Right here, it's label up connector left, and that's what we have punched in there. So we'll hit the green arrow here, and then it'll ask us if we want to calibrate the roll sensor. We'll go yes, and hit the green arrow. Okay, it's going to tell us what to do. Mark your wheels and park it in one spot, and then we're going to hit our green arrow, and now it's calibrating it. Okay, and now what you do is you take your vehicle and you turn it around. Like so. And you park it close to where you were before, or by the marks, and in the same tire tracks, and then you hit the green arrow again, and then it's going to calibrate it again. Okay, and then it's going to have your roll offset in there. Then you hit the green arrow, and then it's going to ask if we want to reset our parameters, because we've already calibrated it once, but we're going to recalibrate it. So we're going to hit yes, make sure yes is highlighted, and then hit our green arrow, and then it's going to go through Easy Pilot calibration. So make sure before you do this, you're in an open space, so you have plenty of room to turn. It might get a little bumpy here because I'm trying to do this with one hand. So So you got to make sure you're running between 2 and 4 miles an hour. And make sure you're going straight. And the first thing you're going to do, you hit the little arrow here to engage it to start. And now it's going. Turning right. It shows how much time is left. Okay. So our right turn calibration was successful. And now we need to do our left turn. So we'll get over to a place where we can do our left turn calibration. Okay, so we'll hit our green arrow. First you have to hit the green arrow to take it to the left calibration. Alright, and we're going to hit our engage it to start. It's going to go. And I ran out of room here, so I'll move here a little bit. I don't have a whole lot of room to do the calibration, so I'll turn around here and see if I can find a little more room to do it. Okay, so we're going to try this again. So we're going to hit our yellow steering wheel to engage. And now it's going to... Okay, so our calibration was successful. Okay, so we'll hit our green arrow. Continue. Okay. Now in this part you have to create an A-B line. So we hit our green arrow down here. And then it'll take us into our run screen. Hit A to start in A. I'll drive a little ways. Then we'll hit B. And then we'll engage it with our yellow steering wheel. And this is the approach aggressiveness. So if you want to bump this up a little bit, you can. Get on the line quicker. So normally about 124% or 125%. Works the best. Turn around here, go back. Okay, and now that we got that done, we'll hit our green arrow, and now it's going to do our online aggressiveness. And wait for it to get on the line. Now once it's on line, you watch and see how well it's on the line. We're going to bump this up to about 125% as well. So it stays on the line well. And it's holding a pretty good line now. So we'll hit our green arrow here. And that kicks our easy pilot out. And turn around here. And the free play offset you really don't have to worry too much about. So we'll hit the green arrow because I'm not going to mess with it. And then your override sensitivity. Your override sensitivity is how much effort it takes to kick your Easy Pilot out when you turn the steering wheel. So if you don't like that it takes a lot to turn your steering wheel, you just bump this way up. Or if it's too easy and it kicks out too with not enough effort, then you just bump it down. So it's good enough for us now. So we'll hit our green arrow and our calibration is complete. So we'll hit our green check mark. And that is how you calibrate the Easy Pilot on the FM 750.